Hi, and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here is summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria.
The Nigerian Army on Wednesday buried Colonel Bello Umar, acting commander of the 7th Division Military Intelligence Brigade, who died on September 2nd in Maiduguri. He was laid to rest at the Memalari Cantonment Military Cemetery with full military honor. The recent suspected cholera outbreak that broke out and killed some residents in Tureta town, the headquarters of the Tureta local government area of Sokoto State, is undergoing investigations. Report from the area indicates the several people have died from a cholera outbreak in the town over the past few days following a mass exodus of people fleeing their villages due to attack by gunmen in their communities. The United States government has provided the World Food Program WFP with $32.5 million for food and nutrition assistance to help save lives in northeast and northwest Nigeria. This was disclosed in a statement issued on Wednesday by Aisha Gambari, press and media specialist at the U.S. Embassy in Abuja. World Food Program Nigeria, with the U.S. government's contributions of $32.5 million, will provide food assistance and nutrition support to internally displaced persons across conflict-affected areas, she said.
Now, in security, the Nigerian Air Force says it has killed more than 15 terrorists in an airstrike on a hideout in Sambisa Forest area of Borno State. In a statement issued on Thursday by its spokespersons, the Air Force said the operations was carried out on September 3, 2025 by the air components of the Operation Harinkai. According to him, the strike targeted an enclave west of Zua, identified through intelligence and surveillance as a hideout for fighters and commanders linked to the recent attack around Bita in Goza local government area of Borno State. Troops of the 22 Armor Brigade, Sobi, Kwara State, have neutralized one bandit and recovered one AK-47 rifle, ammunition, and one motorcycle. Residents of Katsina State have been seen celebrating as hundreds of terrorists locally dubbed as bandits, armed with AK-47 rifles and riding on motorcycles, storms a community during a peace dialogue meeting. Meanwhile, the bandits move freely with their weapons, drawing shots and cries from some localists, despite the absence of Nigerian security agencies in the area. Now, politics. The Action's Democratic Congress reveals when INEC will acknowledge David Mark's leadership. PDP inaugurates 119 members Conventions Committee warns saboteurs. El-Rufai under fire as he gets 72 hours deadline to prove security allegations against National Security Advisor. Now, from the international scene, Sudan has appealed for international aid after a landslide destroyed an entire village in the western Darfur region, killing more than 1,000 people in one of the deadliest natural disasters in recent history in the country, faced by a brutal civil war. The village of Tirelessly was completely leveled to the ground. The Sudan Liberation Movement Army, the rebel group that controlled the area, said it appealed to the United Nations and international aid groups for help to recover the bodies on Tuesday. Researchers from the World Weather Attributions Network said in the study released on Thursday that the hot and dry conditions driving wildfire in Portugal and Spain, as well as other parts of Europe, were 40 times more likely to occur because of climate change. Russia has flatly rejected the prospects of any talks that consider the deployment of foreign troops in Ukraine. Ministry of Foreign Affairs spokeswoman Maria Zakharova said on Wednesday that Moscow will not entertain discussion of an international conflict security force in any formats. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.